strong smell of propane. The furnace does not light. I do hear it attempting. The main issue, in addition to it not lighting, is the fan motor needs to be replaced. So since you need to disassemble the entire furnace basically, change the fan motor, I'm going to be replacing the fan motor, plastic wheels, since one of them will probably break, taking it off, the burner assembly, the igniter, and I'll also order the circuit board. This is flashing 3 reds, which, according to this, is an ignition lockout fault. So I put a new sail switch in it, which is located right behind this cover for the fan motor. So let me dive into this thing and see if I can fix it. The circuit board that lives there just has a thumb screw, and then it slides out. I did take a picture of the wires in case I need to refer back to it later. This motorhome has 2 furnaces. Both are identical, so if I need to reference the second one for any documentation, that's easy enough to do. So next is to take these 4 bolts out. Actually, they're screws. This will take this cover off, exposing the squirrel cage and the fan. This fan wheel up here also needs to come off. This burner assembly and igniter need to come out so that you can pivot the motor to get that out. There's lots of videos with people trying to separate the squirrel cage and that plastic fan off the motor shaft, and 20-some-year-old plastic is pretty brittle, so they end up breaking. So it was cheap enough just to order replacement parts up front. So ordered a new circuit board. I know that's not my problem, but I have 2 of these furnaces, so having one around as a spare won't be a bad thing. I ordered a new motor, the squirrel cage, this fan, an igniter, and a burner. So let me get to it. What I've done so far is turn the gas off, and then I lit the gas stove inside to burn all the gas out of the lines. So let me get to it. I'll come back if there's anything interesting. One thing of note, the only thing holding in this exhaust port is this wing nut. When you loosen the wing nut, this is going to feel welded, but if you just jiggle it, it will come out. I'll be back. This is what it looks like when it's all apart. What actually holds the motor in is this clamp. Squeezes down on the motor. This back here is the limit switch. I'm replacing it as well. It's going to be a little tight to get in, but it's only held in with 1 screw. What else can I tell you? This was kind of a challenge because this threads on and this threads on here as well. So definitely got to use 2 wrenches. This is the sail switch that I previously replaced. Pretty much the fan blows, grounds the sail switch, and then that allows the igniter to kick on. Looks like one of my major problems is very obvious. That's the burner next to the new one. I also purchased a new igniter. So hopefully this will fix it up. She goes. She is lit. Now I'll just tidy up the wires a little bit. Call this job done. Okay, she is all back together. I've cycled it about 4 times. It's working well. This is the 5th time. Right now the fan is going through the gas purge process, engaging the sail switch. This takes about 30 seconds. There you heard it light. And there's hot air coming out the exhaust. Not a bad job. I'll post the parts I used in the video description. Hope this helps someone.